grab a tea and biscuits because you are watching Quiet and Jump. Yeah. Hello. So, today, in this video, we will be doing edible slime. Don't know why I have a winder with me right now. Oh, that's right. You need one to do this edible slime. All you will need is like a couple pounds or a pound or two, like money pounds. 200p. There we go. 200. Yeah. Great start. So you need 2 pounds or 1 pound, and then you get a big pack of fruit winders. They work better with the red and green. So then you open the packet. Then you have to take the winder out how you normally would, but like, don't eat it yet. So you kind of want to like scrape it off. So like, that's how I get mine off the top. And then you can just. So, how are you guys doing? Good? Good. Good? Okay. Millie, thank you for being a great subscriber. And thank you all for given me the 15 subscribers. I mean, like, yay. So, then it is like a weird colour, but it works better with the red and green. So then you just want to rip it apart and mix it together. And you want to kind of warm it up in your hand so it's like sticks in a way. Sometimes when you rip this winder, it doesn't doesn't stick. So, and you want it a good motion. Is to like, I'll show you what I'm doing. So like, you stretch it and then put it back, like squish it back together. If it gets stuck to your fingers, it'll take off. And you have to like warm it up, so let's just warm this up. This is my own idea because I was literally just doing it and my mum was like, you should make that into a video. And I'm like, okay, thank you for that. There we go. See, look, it's brown colour, but it's slime because it's sweaty. And now it sticks to itself, which is good. So, I'm going to do some oats. Oh. So, with the slime, you stretch and turn and stretch. I'm going to try and make a swirl. I haven't made a swirl with this because it's quite hard to get stuck to your fingers. Alright, yeah, warning, it gets stuck to your fingers. Yeah, a baby swirl. So, you can't eat this, obviously, it's a fruit winder. That's really sticky now because I had it in my house. But that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching. Bye bye.